Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Guys, in this episode, we are going to discuss the training opportunity which is available at the NCBS, or you can say in Bangalore. So, in association with ZES, they are going to organize this hands-on workshop on scanning electron microscopy. And as I told earlier, it is at the NCBS, which is having the electron microscopy facility in Bangalore. Guys, though I am doing my postdoc in USA, I'm not getting time to attend this kind of high-end technology workshops, or you can say the symposium. So I'll request you guys, if you are students or postdoc or PhD student or researcher, all of them, like all of you guys, you can apply for this like hands-on workshop. So date for this particular workshop will be on during 10th to 12th of October 2022, and the registration date will be open, or link will be open up to 15th of September 2022. So here in this particular workshop, they are going to discuss the more about the scanning electron microscopy, which includes the theory lectures from the expert, biological and material science sample preparation, hands-on training on the FSSEM, STEM and EDX, and then introduction to the advanced ACM, cryo ACM or FIB ACM. I think these are the most advanced techniques which when it comes to the high-end technology with the scanning electron microscopy. So when it comes to the eligibility, as I told earlier, postdoctoral fellows, PhD student, researcher from the academia and industries. Though if you have a MSc and if you are working as a junior research fellow or senior research fellow, or working as a project associate or assistant, followed by BSc or MSc, I think you guys are eligible to apply this. So registration fees will be 6,000 rupees for the academic participants and the 15,000 rupees for the industrial participant. So it is very cheap. I think you guys must apply, should apply, and the lodging and boarding and food charges will be prepared, you have to pay on your own. So shortlisted listed participants will be mailed by notified through the email when by the 22nd September 2022. To apply this position, you can training program, you can scan this QR code, or you will have this link. This link I'm going to give in the description box. If you are eligible, please do apply. Please, I'll request you guys, because these are the high-end technologies, and definitely they are going to give you weightage to your CV or resume. If you have any query related to this training program, you can inquire at this particular email ID along with this Google form. I'm going to give this contact email ID in the description box, and you will find the website for the particular institute, so that you can track other events at this particular institutes. Once again, I request you guys, please do apply, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.